Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing MATLAB that we have already working on it. So, uh, Today we are doing some tell you how you can do taking a help from MATLAB. That is a help that should be we are writing here in a box help. So we are writing a mean. So it is help. So show how help mean. So you can see here average और mean क्या होता है. So mean x क्या vector क्या matrices. So we can click on a mean and we are getting a help of mean. If we need a median, तो median की help यहाँ पे सारी आ जाएगी. यहाँ पे median के बारे में बता देंगे. Minimum, so max. So ये फार्मूला नीचे लिखा आ जाता है like this one. So हम इसको चाहे तो हम रन भी कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. वी आर रन ऑल्सो हियर. So this is the output of the program. Like this one, we have to enter 739, 789. Fine. So we are writing. There is a answer of max one row again. Then we have to use second again. Then we are using a fifth. So it is turned up into this one. So next part of this is that we are taking a help of mean. Then we need this is a part of MATLAB, right? So then there is another option we are using, that is a matrix. So if we are writing a matrix, we are writing here like this one, A is equal to. So we are writing here. Suppose we are writing a 16, 3, 2, 13. We enter a 3, 4, 4. Fine. So अगले में हम लिखते हैं कुछ भी लिख लो 5, 10, 15, 25. Fine. Then again we are writing 4, 16, 24. Fine. So again we are writing here that should be 6, 12, 18, 23. Any number as per our requirement. We are close it and we plus it. तो ये हमें मैट्रिक्स कुछ इस तरह से दिखाई देगा. Fine. So now we are doing we are finding sum of A. तो क्या आएगा? So it will show me like this one. अगर हम इसका sum करें तो it will show me like this one. So if we write here A dash, so it show me like this one. This is a transpose of matrix. So if we are writing sum of A transpose, then brackets, then again this, then output is this one. So जैसे जैसे हम इसकी करेंगे, suppose we need a die of A. So this is we are calculating here, that is a sum and die. So we are producing here, that answer should be this one. Fine. So we need a sum. Suppose we need some magics. Magic. So MATLAB has built inbuilt function है magic square of almost any size. किसी भी size का हमने magic करना हो तो वो कर देता. Suppose we are writing here magic 4. So this is a magic of 4. Fine. So अगर हम इसमें चाहते हैं, we want to see something like A is equal to, और हमने यहाँ पे लिखा B, और then we are writing here a bracket. This one we are using a sum colon. Fine. This one. Then we are using a comma. अब हम ब्रेस में लिख रहे हैं 1, 3, 4, 5. अब हमने इसको क्लोज कर दिया. So output should be like this is the output of the program. So there is some error. Why that error may come? Because we have to define a brace 1, 3, 4, 5. Now basically you can swap the two middle columns of B to look the A, and each row of B that should be rearrange the column of 1, 3, 2, 4 if it is existing. So we have to use 1, 3, 4, 2. Now we are taking 2, 4. That's right. So this is answer. So if we must not exceed 2, then answer should be particularly bound. So there are more other option of MATLAB software provide like a functions. So what type of function we are using? Suppose we are using Z. I'm writing here Z0, ZEROS, and then we are writing 2, 4. So we are closing, we are entering, and this is the answer. So if we write similar thing, suppose Z, we are taking Q. Fine. Q is equal to 5 multiplied by ones of 3, 3. You can see automatically help appear honi shuru hogi. We are close it here. Fine. So we put up an enter. अब 5, 5, 5 ones के साथ 3 by 3 को multiply करके result आए. Now we are need that is a E is equal to. अब मैं क्या करने जा रहा हूँ? I am using a word fix. That is a 10 multiply by. We are already do that is sent to be a random. So that should be 1 to 10. Right? So we are close this braces and put enter. So ये हमारे पास एक number आ जाएगा 1 से 10 randomized. Fine. Then again we are using this random. Now this time we are put a name of E is equal to EF, and we fix that should be random, that is 4 by 4. So this is answer. You can see a magic. So random, that is uniformly distributed random elements. If we are using a RA and D के साथ हम अगर n लगाते हैं, that is normally distributed, तो normal distribution की तरफ चल जाएगा. Fine. So this is the way through which we are done. So now next part is we are using that is a array. So that array we have already do that part. So how you can build a table? So somebody ask you a table, your childhood. 2 का table क्या होगा? 3 का, 4 का, या sort of like what is a 2 का square, 3 का, 4 का. So now right we are writing here. Let's try 0 से लेके 9 तक चाहिए हमें number system. Fine. So we are taking that is right. So that is a mismatch. That is colon. Right. So next we have to take. We are taking a powers of n. N. First number, then second number should be n multiplied by power n square. That is a tilde 2. Fine. फिर हम लेना चाहते हैं 2 multiplied by tilde n. So we are close it, and what is the magic of this? We have seen this one. 0 से लेके वो सारे number आ गए 9 तक. If we need more, it is automatically generated. तो हमें करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक छोटा सा फार्मूला है जिसे हम पावर्स बोलते हैं. Fine. So then we are taking about a logs. अब कुछ logs के बारे में भी पढ़ा था हम. logs वगैरह भी करके हैं. Like this one, x log 10 क्या वैल्यू होती है. तो अगर हमें वो वैल्यूज सारी देखनी है, so we have to do something like that. We are using some sort of format, short, कुछ भी नाम रख लेते हैं. So we are checking a x is equal to. अब हमने क्या किया था ऊपर 1 से लेके 0 तक dot 1. Then we are moving up to 2. Fine. So इसको close. That's it. So next हम लिखेंगे logs. किसका logs लिखना है? So we have to take a log of x space log 10 of x. अब log 10 of x मैंने देखना है तो मुझे उसी के ऊपर क्लिक करना पड़ेगा। सो दिस इज शो, ये जो पहले एरो शो हो रही है 1 से लेके, वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 से लेके 0, फर्स्ट इज बाय डिफॉल्ट 0, सो 1.1 से लेके वी हैव टू टेक 0.1, ये देखो फाइन। तो हर बार 0.1 इंक्रीज करता जाए कहां तक, 2 तक, ठीक है। किसका, उनका लॉग लिखते जाए, ठीक है। सो ऐसे आपका लॉग जनरेट हो जाएगा, फाइन। सो इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प, एनी आपने कोई चीज देखनी है, सपोज करो इफ यू नीड अ हेल्प ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट, सो यू टाइप हियर स्क्वायर रूट, स्क्वायर रूट की हेल्प आ जाएगी। स्क्वायर रूट ब्रैकेट में x वी आर यूजिंग, इफ यू सी हाउ दे कैन यूज, तो आप इस पे क्लिक कीजिए, वो आपको पूरी डिटेल्स बता देगा स्क्वायर रूट आपने कैसे यूज करना, ठीक है। जैसे हमने ये नंबर सिस्टम यूज किया, या आप ये स्क्वायर रूट वर्ड लिख के करना चाहते हो तो वो आप कर सकते हो। ऐसे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस होती हैं, जैसे लाइक पाई क्या होता है, इफ यू रिमेम्बर 3.1.4.2 समथिंग लाइक दैट। तो रियल मिनिमम क्या होता है, रियल मैक्स क्या होता है, इन्फिनिटी क्या होता है, लाइक दिस वन। तो वो सारे के सारे आपको मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है। सो यू शुड ट्राई, इफ यू फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम प्लीज टेल मी, ओके, थैंक यू।